No crank, no start, no problem. Reach your destination safely. If there is no cranking with ignition key, it is obvious that engine will not start. In this case, following checks needs to be done. 1. Check whether electric supply reaches starter solenoid terminals. 2. If no supply, check fuse and relay. 3. Ensure that gear is in neutral. 4. Check for any loose connections, all sensors and starting circuit. 5. In case electric supply reaches solenoid, but still no cranking, check voltage during attempt to crank. 6. Check battery open circuit voltage. It can be between 12 to 13 volts for 12 volts system. 7. It can be between 24 to 26 volts in 24 volts system used in heavy vehicles. 8. In case of 12V system, if voltage is below 9 volts, then solenoid may not work. This indicates battery is low. 9. For 24 volts system used in heavy vehicles, cranking voltage should be above 18 volts. If you are stranded on road, there is no point in wasting more time in investigation. Instead, try other alternatives. Starting on slope. If your vehicle is on sloping road, shift to neutral, make clutch off and just release the handbrake. Allow the vehicle to gain sufficient speed. If you are on the downward slope and vehicle is moving forward, slowly release clutch and engage second gear and start the engine. If you are on the upward slope and vehicle is moving backward, engage reverse gear and start the engine. If there is no sufficient slope, then push start the vehicle with the help of other people accompanying you in the car or people on the road, but don't forget to take advantage of the slope. Jumpstart the vehicle. Jumpstart cables 10 feet long are available in India at price of around 500 rupees only. It is definitely worth if you are occasionally traveling out of your city. If you have jumpstart cables in your vehicle, then you can request other car owner to help. If he permits. 1. Hold/join one end of red cable to positive terminal of your vehicle and hold other end of the cable to positive terminal of support car. 2. Hold/join one end of black cable to engine or body structure of your vehicle and hold other end of the cable to negative terminal of support car. 3. Ask someone to start engine of your vehicle using ignition switch as per normal practice, that is making clutch off and shifting to neutral. 4. Remember, positive of your vehicle to positive support car, negative, earth, of your vehicle to negative support car. For this, park the support vehicle side by side of your vehicle. If still cable lengths are insufficient, park the support vehicle facing in opposite direction. Portable jump starter packs. Now portable jump starter packs with jumper cables are available. You should select proper range pack to suit your car engine. Packs are available from 10,000 mAh to 25,000 mAh. Price range from 5,000 rupees only to 10,000 rupees only. Ensure that you select higher rating pack than your bare minimum requirement. 10,000 mAh pack may give it the most 3 crankings for normal car. Therefore, it is better to go for at least 15,000 mAh to 20,000 mAh. Moreover, you can use this pack for operating portable household devices, including even charging your mobiles if there is no electricity. You can think of purchasing this only if you frequently travel out of city limits over longer distance where roadside garages or mechanics are not available. For others, it will be just wastage of money and it will remain idle in your car without any use. After all, choice is yours. Thank you for watching this video. In case you need any clarification, please feel free to give your comment. Please like and subscribe to the channel to get more interesting videos. Thank you.